This is the 55th LeetCode challenge, and it is called Jump Game. You are given an integer array nums. You are initially positioned at the array's first index, and each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Return true if you can reach the last index, or false otherwise. Okay, so this looks like the same as the 45th challenge Jump Game 2, but instead of returning the index, you return true or false. So let's get started. So I've basically just copied over the code from the 45th challenge and put it into here. So to go over how this code works, so initially just check to see if the length of the array is 1 or num 0 equals 0, it returns 0. But we'll have to change this. So if nums is less than or equal to 1, return true. Then we need to do an else if here nums, the first number is 0, then we return false. So if the length is less than 1, or if it's 1, we are already at the end. And then for this one, if the first number is 0, then we actually can't jump anywhere, so it's false. So going through here, we're currently recording the amount of steps taken, the current index, and the last index in the array. So we have a while loop which runs continuously until the current index is the last index or higher. We retrieve the current number, we take a look at the current index. If the current number plus the current index is greater or equal to last index, that means we can reach the end. So that means this needs to be true. In this one here, we're checking to see which location we want to jump to. So next index just initialize a -1, next jump max 0. So we're going through just finding, okay, which is the best number we want to jump to and which one can go furthest. Basically with this, we're looking to see which of the numbers we can jump to will allow us to then jump the furthest. So that's what this does. And if we get to here and there's no next index, then we return false. Steps incremented then, although I don't think we need steps at all anymore. Actually, yes we do, because right here, turn steps, this would be steps is greater than 0. Okay, so I think that's the only changes that need to be made from the previous one. So let's run it and let's see if we get the expected output. And we can see we got true and false. So we will grab this code, we will put it into LeetCode, run on the test ones just to make sure. Yep, those worked, so we'll now submit. And our solution was accepted. So that's the 55th LeetCode challenge called Jump Game. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.